Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty with an expert eye and a passion for honest reviews. Now, have you ever wished for a manicure that looks like it came straight from the salon, but without the time commitment? Or maybe you're tired of dealing with pesky cuticles that refuse to budge no matter what you try? Well, today I'm reviewing the Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover, alongside the Salon-Effects Perfect Manicure Press on Nails Kit, a bundle that promises to give you that flawless, salon-quality manicure right at home. Let's break it down. First, we have the Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover, a product that claims to eliminate excess cuticles in just 15 seconds. It's a powerful formula designed to work quickly, softening and removing those stubborn cuticles that often get in the way of a perfect manicure. But what's inside? The formula is infused with aloe and chamomile, two ingredients known for their soothing and moisturizing properties. That's a nice touch, as it means you're not just getting a cuticle remover, but a product that's also caring for your nails while you work on them. For the full at-home manicure experience, this bundle also includes 24 nails, a file, a cuticle stick, a prep pad, adhesive tabs, and nail glue. Everything you need for a flawless, ready-to-wear set of nails. This kit has been marketed as a way to bring home the salon with ease, so we're going to see how it measures up in real-life use. In terms of real-world testing, I was pleasantly surprised by how easily the Instant Cuticle Remover performed. I applied the formula directly to my cuticles, as instructed, and within about 15 seconds, the excess skin was softened and ready to be gently pushed back. This really is an ultra-fast solution for those who don't have time for lengthy salon appointments or complex at-home treatments. The aloe and chamomile made my cuticles feel nourished, which is a huge plus, especially for anyone who has ever experienced dry, irritated cuticles. Moving on to the Salon-Effects Perfect Manicure Press-On Nails Kit, the application process was straightforward. I found the nail sizes to be fairly easy to match with my natural nail bed. The adhesive tabs were sticky, and I appreciated the nail glue included for extra hold. I wore the nails for several days, and they stayed in place without any major lifting or discomfort. While they aren't as durable as a professional acrylic set, they're perfect for those quick touch-ups or when you need a last-minute beauty boost. The pros? First off, the speed of the cuticle remover is a major selling point. If you're someone who's constantly in a rush or just doesn't have the patience for long cuticle treatments, this is a game changer. The inclusion of aloe and chamomile also makes this a more skin-friendly option compared to other removers. As for the press-on nails, I loved how easy it was to find the right fit, and the nail glue and adhesive tabs provided extra security. But it's not all perfect. The cuticle remover works quickly, but I did find that for particularly tough cuticles, I had to repeat the process a second time. And when it comes to the press-on nails, while they offer a quick manicure solution, they aren't as long-lasting as salon-applied acrylic nails. I did notice a few nails lifting after a few days, though nothing that a little touch-up couldn't fix. Now, let's talk about the value for money. The price is fairly reasonable, considering you're getting a full kit for a DIY manicure. However, if you're someone who prefers more permanent solutions, you might not be fully satisfied with the longevity of the press-on nails. Still, for the price, it's a solid option for a quick, on-the-go manicure. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for longer-lasting nails, there are options like Gel X nails or other brands offering more durable press-ons. But for the budget-conscious, this Hansen kit offers a balance of speed, convenience, and quality that works for most people. As for build quality, the materials are decent. The nail glue and adhesive tabs held up well during wear, and the cuticle remover bottle is practical and easy to use. With regards to customer support, I've had a positive experience with Hansen in the past, so I have no doubts that their customer service would be helpful should you run into any issues with the product. Final verdict? If you're looking for a fast and effective cuticle remover, the Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover definitely delivers. It's a reliable option that works well for those who want to take care of their cuticles quickly without sacrificing skin nourishment. The Salon-Effects Perfect Manicure Press-On Nails Kit is a great choice for an instant nail makeover, but you may need to keep a few extras on hand for longer wear. Overall, I'd recommend this set to those who are after a quick, affordable manicure solution without the commitment of professional nails. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to drop a comment below if you've tried these products. Let me know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.